Hey everyone, welcome back. The Trust Wallet stopped using Face ID on your iPhone, so now you have to enter your passcode every time. The fix is in your iPhone settings. 30 seconds, no login needed. First, go to your settings on your phone. Then, go ahead and search for Face ID and passcode. Enter your phone's passcode when it asks you. Now, scroll down to the section labeled as Other Apps. Here, scroll to the list until you find Trust Wallet. If the toggle next to Trust Wallet is grey and switched off, tap it to turn it on. If it's already on but Face ID is still not working in Trust Wallet, tap it off and then tap it on again to reset the permission. After changing the toggle, close Trust Wallet completely from your recent apps by swiping it away. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen, look for the app, swipe it away completely to close it, then reopen the app. After that, it should prompt Face ID automatically. If Trust Wallet does not appear in the Face ID app list at all, go to your settings and then go to General, then go to iPhone Storage, scroll down until you see Trust Wallet, then offload the app. Once offloaded, reinstall the app from the App Store. After a fresh install, it will ask to enable Face ID on first launch, and that's it. So all you gotta do is go to settings, Face ID and passcode, find Trust Wallet in the app list, toggle it on, Face ID will be working in Trust Wallet again, and that's it. Subscribe.